Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
Hi guys, lekai ngithing. So bazalwane sisesithenjini ngisho nami nje ngiphakathi. Ngizifakile ngumuntu ka Mseleko. Can we talk about indaba kaSnake? Can we all understand or be in same page ukuthi uSne sometimes is unnecessarily extra? USne is unnecessarily extra. Izinto ezinye azenzayo azidingeki, ezinye izinto nje zi-unnecessary. Ngicela sivumelane lapho. Because why? And if awukho wrong, you are right in a situation, why act like a victim? So actor manje, hey, umuntu ongabambeki, umuntu ongakwazi ukuhlaliseka nabanye abantu. That means ukuthi you are wrong. Like mputse ngihlalosetse hore ke nna ke gafa. Because number one, Usne is the one that said she doesn't love these women. On social media, on a platform that could be seen by anyone with I don't know how many views, but there were many views. Then you expect the very people uthi abafuni mabakubona bahleke nawe. Hi guys, angeke. If a stepmother needs to do that, how can make me absent? Make me absent. I hope the next guy I meet utlaba sinangwana. Because wow. Mangiphuma kulesithembu sami noMseleko, shuthi lo omele ngihlangane naye sabanga namntwana because kusho ukuthini? Because Usne, sure.